Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve DSE 2014 question paper, that is Delhi School of Economics entrance examination, and part 2, which consists of questions from 21 till question number 60. We have completed previous questions, so let us begin with question number 30 now. So question 30 says, suppose x and y are given integers. Okay, so we have been given two integers, those are x and y. Now consider the following statements. We have two statements A and B. So let's check statement A. If 2x plus 3y is divisible by 17, then 9x plus 5y is divisible by 17. Okay, so here we have one equation, that is 2x minus 3y, and the other one 9x plus 5y. And if the first equation is divisible by 17, then the second equation is also divisible by 17. Now option B, this statement B says 9x plus 5y is divisible by 17, then 2x plus 3y is divisible by 17. Okay, so exactly the vice versa of the previous statement. Now let's check the options. Here in options we have the question is which of the following is true. Okay, so A is true and B is false, B is true and A is false, both A and B are true, neither A and B are true. Okay, so we have two statements here, A and B. We need to check about their conditions, whether they are true or they are false. So let us begin with our statement 1, in which it is said that if 2x plus 3y is divisible by 17, then 9x plus 5y is divisible by 17. We need to prove this, and let's check whether it is true or false. So let us denote A divides B. Let us denote this as A slash B. Let this be the notation of A divides B, of so that we can use this in our further sum to simplify our sum. As you can see here it is given that 17 divides 2x plus 3y. This is given equation. So let us write this as 17 divides 2x plus 3y. Okay, so here we have, now we need to take this statement to 17 divides 9x plus 5. So we need to check whether this right hand side, that is 2x plus 3y, can be transformed into 9x plus 5y. So for that, what can we do is, our first step can be, we can multiply this side with minus 4. Multiplying this side with minus 4, any number when A divides B, then A will obviously divide B into minus 4. For example, when 2 divides 4, then 2 will also divide 4 into minus 4, that is minus 16. And as you can see, 2 divides minus 16, hence it is true for every value that if 17 is dividing 2x plus 3y, then 17 will also divide 2x plus 3y into minus 4. So we will get here minus 8x minus 12y. So here we have 17 divides 2x minus 8x minus 12y, and this can be written on both the sides, that it implies forward and backward. That is, if 17 divides minus 8x minus 12y, then it will also divide 2x plus 3y. So this is both side implies form, that is, we can imply both the sides. So here we can, this statement can imply this statement, as well as this statement can imply to this statement also. So we have got our this statement. Now what can we do is, we can add 17x and 17y both the sides. For example, let us take again the example of 2 divides 4. Then we can add 2 here, and let's check. 2 divides 2 plus 4, that is 6. So this statement is absolutely true, that is 2 divides 6. Therefore we can add here 17x and 17y. Or let's check another example. Here we have 3 divides 6x. So as you can see, whatever the value of x, 3 will always divide 6x. So let's add 3 here. 3 divides, let's add 3x here, not only 3 but 3x. So adding 3x plus 6x, we will get 9x. So you can see 9x is always divisible by 3. Therefore similarly we can add here 17x and 17y plus 17x plus 17y. So let's solve this further and let's check what we get. 17 divides minus 8x plus 7x, 17x gives 9x, and minus 12x plus 17y, minus 12y plus 17y gives plus 5y. So you can see that here also we have double implies, that is this, as this statement implies this, therefore when we have 17 divides this statement, we can also say that 17 also divides this statement, because we are removing 17x and 17y. So we have both the implications, and finally you can see that since 17 divides 2x plus 3y, hence 17 also divides 9x plus 5y. That is our statement 1. As you can see here, we have 17 divides 2x plus 3y, then 9x plus 5 is also divisible by 17. Then hence our statement 1 is correct. And as you can see, statement 2 is exactly the vice versa of the statement 1. That is, if 9x plus 5y is divisible by 17, that is our last equation, then 2x plus 3y is divisible by 17, that is our first equation. So as I said, we have both implications on all the equations, hence this vice versa is also true and always true. Hence our both these statements are true. Therefore let's check the options. So as you can see, in option C we have both A and B are true. Hence option C will be the correct answer to this question. So I will like to end this video here. You will find solutions to the further questions in our next videos.